Hello everyone, I am Elvan Kutlu from Bahçeşehir University Educational Technology MA program. I want to talk about case study research based on qualitative research methods. First of all, I will focus on what is case study. Case study research is defined as a qualitative approach in which the investigator explores a real-life, contemporary bounded system or multiple bounded systems over time through detailed, in-depth data collection involving multiple sources of information like observations, interviews, audiovisual material, and documents and reports. Now, I will talk about what are the features of case study research. Case study research begins with the identification of a specific case that will be described and analyzed. The key to the case identification is that it's bounded, meaning that it can be defined or described within certain parameters. The intent of conducting the case study is also important to focus the procedures for the particular type. A hallmark of a good qualitative case study is that its presence and in-depth understanding of the case. The selection of how to approach the data analysis in a case study will differ. A key to generating the description of the case involves identifying case themes. Case studies often end with conclusions formed by the researcher about the overall meaning deriving from the case or cases. And also, there are some types of case studies. The types of qualitative case studies are distinguished by the focus of analysis for the bounded case, such as whether the case involves studying one individual, several individuals, a group, an entire program, or an activity. They may also be distinguished in terms of the intent of the case analysis. The single instrumental case study, the collective or multiple case study, and the intrinsic case study. Let's look at them one by one. In a single instrumental case study, the researcher focuses on an issue or concern and then selects one bounded case to illustrate this issue. In a collective case study or multiple case study, the one issue or concern is again selected, but the inquirer selects multiple case studies to illustrate the issue. The final type of case study design is an intrinsic case study in which the focus is on the case itself. Lastly, I will mention about the procedures for conducting a case study. Step 1 is determine if a case study approach is appropriate for studying the research problem. Step 2 is identify the intent of the study and select the case or cases. Step 3 is develop procedures for conducting the extensive data collection drawing on multiple data sources. Step 4 is specify the analysis approach on which the case description integrates analysis themes and contextual information. Last step is report the case study and lessons learned by using case assertions in written form.